Hello, PSJ family. The new school year has begun, and we understand the top concern on everyone's mind is that of safety. There's no shying away from it. This past spring, our nation endured multiple events that grasped our nation's heart and affected countless lives. Our hearts go out to the many families. That's why our PSJ ISD police and security departments felt it's best to come together and share the daily measures we're taking to provide a safe learning environment for all our PSJ family. We believe preparation is key in any situation. That's why we make sure to have the proper safety protocols in place as early as possible and continue to equip ourselves with standard training procedures. At PSJ ISD, our police and security personnel undergo a civilians response to active shooter events training, also known as CRACE, designed and built on the Avoid, Deny, Defend strategy developed by Alert in 2004. CRACE provides numerous strategies, guidance, and a proven plan for surviving an active shooter event with topics covering civilians' response options. Through this rigorous training course, our PSJ police and security teams can take a tactful, proactive approach to any situation. The information gained during the CRACE course by our PSJ police and security teams will be made available to any campus interested in learning at no additional cost. Learning how to respond during such an emergency can make all the difference, and the CRACE course is one way we can all stay alert during such a distressing time. We encourage you to continue watching this video series as we explore the multiple ways our PSJ police and security teams are safeguarding our schools. Keep watching as we move forward and take a look into lockdown procedures.